Hey, for the Deluxe here, YouTube, this is Dominic. Sorry for my voice, it's a little bad. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Samsung flash memory SD camcorder. That's pretty HD. It has 65, so you can't read that, 65 optical zoom. It's like some weird word. 4 hours and 10 minutes of battery life. 1.9 megapixels, Intel Studio, and USB charging. And I think that's it. Oh yeah, right here. PC requirements is operating system, Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, CPU. Oh yeah, that's all. Everyone should have that. So if you don't have that, you need to get that. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. I already cut that off right there. I don't want to deal with it on camera. Let's open that up. Let's open this sexy thing up. Sorry, that's my phrase, sexy thing. So it comes with a CD and a quick start guide. But ooh, nice. So that's it right there. So the left side, of course, is the camera. Right side, boring stuff, just cables. You got a battery, a single battery. I need another battery. Single battery, right there. You got the charger. 3 AV out, so you can watch it on your TV. And then a USB, so you can charge it, or you could put stuff on the computer. So let me take this thing out. So I took that out. Now what did I say? One second, I'll put you guys down. What's out? That's everything, so. Okay, that's everything. So now let's actually do let's do the camera itself. Okay? So let me put my hand in my bag and pull my camera out with it. Okay. Look how this nice. It's nice. You see me in the camera? It's cool. Okay. So here, if I hold it if I put it how it really is supposed to be, the left side right here, open it up. There's a record button right here, menu, and the it's W and T. You can go back and forth, pan and stuff. You close that. On top we have a quick power button, the WT zoom mode, photo, and bottom of a tripod spot. Oh, I forgot, inside we have right here, if you guys can see this, so we have a USB spot for your output, DV out in the middle, and DVC, whatever it is. The section where I'm retiring this camera, I'm going to be using this camcorder. You guys are going to see some awesome HD footage on YouTube. That's where the battery goes. So be prepared for some awesomeness. Subscribe, rate, please like this, and we'll make another video soon. So oh, I forgot before, actually, yeah, but I got 16 gigabyte. We got a 16 gigabyte card, 240 hours of HD footage. We're gonna be doing good. So yeah, subscribe, rate, add. Just please like us on a positive. We like when you guys like the video. A like helps us out a lot. Okay, thank you. Bye.